BMW X5 common problems and repair costs. The BMW X5 is a luxurious and powerful SUV, but it does come with some common issues. In this video, we'll go over the most frequently reported problems, their solutions, and the cost of repairs. Engine stalling. Some BMW X5 models experience sudden engine stalling, especially at low speeds or during acceleration. The issue is often caused by a faulty engine control module, which can shut down the engine unexpectedly. In severe cases, the engine may need replacement. Repair costs typically range from $5,000 to $10,000, including parts and labor. Water leakage in the cabin. Water leakage inside the BMW X5, particularly through the sunroof, is a commonly reported issue. This happens due to faulty drain tubes, which allow water to enter the interior and damage electrical components. Fixing the drainage system costs between $500 and $1,500, while electrical repairs can add another $1,000 to $3,000. Transmission issues. Rough gear shifts and transmission failures are common in older BMW X5 models. The problem is often caused by transmission wear, fluid leaks, or software malfunctions. A transmission rebuild can cost $3,000 to $7,000, while replacing the transmission fluid costs between $300 and $500. Electrical system failures. Owners frequently report faulty door locks, infotainment system malfunctions, and dashboard warning lights. These problems can occur due to water exposure, wiring defects, or software issues. Repairing electrical components and updating the vehicle's software can cost $500 to $2,500, depending on the severity. Suspension problems. BMW X5 air suspension failures can cause an uncomfortable ride or uneven vehicle height. This happens when air struts wear out or the compressor fails. Replacing air struts or the compressor costs $1,500 to $4,000, depending on parts and labor. Oil leaks. Oil leaks are common in older BMW X5 models and usually originate from the valve cover gasket and oil pan. These leaks occur due to worn-out gaskets and seals, requiring replacements. Repair costs typically range from $500 to $1,500. Cooling system failures. The BMW X5 cooling system is prone to radiator leaks, water pump failures, and thermostat issues, which can lead to overheating. These components wear out over time and need replacement. The cost for cooling system repairs varies between $500 and $2,500, depending on which parts need to be changed. Fuel injector issues. Fuel injectors in the BMW X5 can become clogged or faulty, leading to rough idling, poor acceleration, and engine misfires. Cleaning or replacing the injectors restores proper fuel flow and engine performance. Repair costs range from $300 to $1,500, depending on the severity of the issue. While the BMW X5 offers an exceptional driving experience, regular maintenance is essential to avoid unexpected repair costs. If you're considering purchasing one, be sure to check for these common problems.